Guys, it's Gentleman Zana here. Hope you guys are doing well today. Tonight, let's do a Squid Game game. Actually, all you have to do is actually type Squid Game 2, and this will be on screen. And when you actually click on this, it will actually ask you to complete and collect rewards. We're going to click this, and it will actually pop up these games. Let the new games begin. We have red light, green light. We have rock, paper, scissors -1. Complete the previous round to unlock. Obviously, I've already passed one. I haven't actually passed this one. So for this one, what you need to do is you can visit this activity page. You can search for Squid Game, invite a friend to play, post a video using hashtag Squid Game 2. So as you can see, you can actually get a Squid Game experience. That's really cool. Also, you get a $100 or equivalent Netflix shop credit and also $20. As you can see, there's a lot of people here already on high ranking. I only have 130 points. Look at these people. All right, so we're in week 2. So if you actually search Squid Game 2, you'll be able to play this game. Also, I forgot to mention that you can actually get this frame 456. As we know, the most popular game player on Squid Game. He actually won in season 1, and we're about to find out in season 2. You can get this frame by completing some of these games. And we enjoy.